Breaking news from Southern California. At 10:08 a.m., a 5.2 magnitude earthquake rocked the region near Julian. The tremors were felt from San Diego to Los Angeles, shaking homes and rattling nerves across the state. Over 25 million people experienced the quake, which experts say is linked to the Elsinore fault line, one of California's most active. This quake came just hours after a 3.3 foreshock, and experts warn it might not be the last. According to seismologist Dr. Lucy Jones, every earthquake could be a foreshock to something bigger. Yes, this one could be the precursor to the big one. Is California on the edge of disaster? Like, subscribe and drop a comment. Do you think this was just a warning tremor, or the calm before the real quake hits?